COVID-19. We all are know about this viral disease. We know that the most common symptom of COVID is fever. Present scenario. As we know that non-contactless thermometers are being used in various places, but this is not the effective way as it requires operator and it is a time-taking process for checking large number of people in a community, and there may be a chance of crossover infection from person to person. So, what's the solution? A wrist-based wearable device which monitors the temperature of a person in regular intervals of time, and the collected data will be sent through internet to central monitor systems like hospitals, companies and offices, etc. Introducing CoWatch 2020, a low-cost wristwatch especially designed for monitoring the temperature of a person. And this watch has integrated with GPS such that the exact location of a person will be known who had infected with COVID symptom like fever. It will connect to internet through any hotspot device like mobile, Wi-Fi, etc. This watch will detect the location and measure temperature of a person. Finally, the collected data will be sent to cloud so that hospitals, schools, colleges, etc. will be able to monitor continuously. Now I am going to show you how this watch will be works in real time. Hi guys, I am Manoj and this is the watch that I had designed. This watch will be activated automatically whenever I kept this watch on my hand. So you can observe that there is some LEDs are blink. Now it is get activated. After getting activated, so it search for hotspot devices. Now I take a mobile as a hotspot device. So we already know that every mobile has a hotspot facility. So I choose a mobile, or it will be connected to Wi-Fi routers also. I had already given password, hotspot password, and Wi-Fi SSID to this watch, so that it will be connected to this mobile. Finally, it get access to internet. And I also designed an application to to display our temperature, body temperature. So see, this is the application that I had designed. You can observe there is a temperature is displaying, that is my body temperature. And now I'm going to show the Google Sheet data as it is connected to internet, so that it will send data to Google Sheet periodically. Guys, this is Google Sheet. The watch will get access to this Google Sheet whenever it get connected to internet, and this all this data was sent by the watch. So you can observe there is some parameters are present here. So the parameter upload date represents the date at which the watch sends the data to this Google Sheet. That date was represent here, and this is a person name ID parameter. Here our names are shown. That means whoever registered to this system, their names will be shown in here. Here only my name is showing because only one watch is working. If multiple watches are present, multiple names will be shown. And here you can observe that date time parameter in these two columns. So what these two columns represent means that date and time at which the temperature was measured, that data was represented here, and this is my temperature. Here my body temperature is showing in this column, and this is my location data. Here lat means latitude and long means longitude. These two columns represent my exact location. For example, if I copy these two values and paste in Google Maps, it will show exact location of my place. So this is my exact location. Here I am present. So in this way the location data also get uploaded. So all this data is uploaded from so many days, past 10 days I think. So you can observe that new values are updating in each row. So this is the today's date, and this is the time, and this is my body temperature present now, and this is my location. For suppose if I got a fever more than 37 degrees, then here it will represented in red color. I will show by using a heat element like lighter. Wait, I will show that. So guys, you can observe here it is more than 37 degrees. So I heated up too much, that's why here showing 47 degrees. Guys, this is how the watch will works. I hope this type of watches will be used for detecting the symptom of COVID-19 like fever and taking further actions. We can able to decrease the spread of COVID-19 disease. Thanks for watching.
Hi friends, for more projects visit MK Smart Creations YouTube channel, and if you want any related information regarding projects, experiments and implementation of your own ideas, you can contact him through the details given in the description. Support and encourage him to make such a good videos more and more by subscribing his channel.